Okay, we're back with the completed pivot pin, and I'll give you the quick measurements so that you can have them just in case you have a problem with them, because in order to measure it you got to cut it apart because they've welded the ends, as I said before. You can see I had to cut it. That was my cut right in between the two with a real thin saw, and then that's where they welded it and then just tapped it to put the end caps on. It's 13 and an eighth inches long. It's 1 inch bar, and then these are 1 inch inside diameter, 1.5 inch outside diameter. The outside cap, that's what I call this, the cap out here. This is 1.5 inches. The bushings that turn, they're 3 inches in length, and then this inside area here, this is 4 3/16, and this is a piece of 1 inch inside diameter tubing, 1 1/8 out. So this is an 1/8 inch, or this comes out to be 1 1/8 if you measure it. Okay. Instead of welding, I pinned the ends. They're actually just they're set screws, and they're also Loctited in so they won't come out. And then I put these little areas here for grease. These actually, if you take a look at them, they're actually chamfered, so that they'll fit this pin. The same pin greaser to grease the machine is the same one that fits in here, and it fits right down into the seat. Okay, and then there's like a 3/32 hole that goes all the way through, and I put 2 of them in. Also, what I did is I chamfered all of these where there's surfaces that wear together, and they're relieved so that grease and lubricant can get down and through there. Same with all the areas all the way through. So that's pretty much it. It's about ready to go back in. Total cost, that's including, the steel and everything. It's about, I'd say $15 right in that area there. I did turn down the actual shaft, the 1 inch shaft. It was oversized, and this tubing was a little undersized by a couple thousandths, and I wanted about 3 or 4 thousandths for grease to get in. So I figured 2 to 2.5 thousandths across here is good enough for grease. And you could see these run very nice too. They're smooth. There's no lubricant in here yet. I haven't got to that point yet, but everything glides very smoothly. I already test fitted it with the 2 caps on it. It all works fine, so it's ready to go. So total time on it was maybe about an hour and a half, maybe 2. The biggest thing was stopping, and actually all these holes are in precision locations. They're I actually made them so that they all matched up. Not that it means I'm not a machinist by no means, but I just try to keep it as neat as possible. These were placed right in the center, so these are 3/4 of an inch to the center on each one of those. So everything was done as best I could. I polished after I did cut the surface of the inside 1 inch bar, I did polish it to 220 grit, so it's pretty nice. I still have some cleaning to do. There's still some chips and other stuff from the polishing and that, so I'm going to give it all a good bath, get it all lubed up and put back in the machine. But that's how she went. It all went well. I'll see how it works out on the machine. I'm sure there's going to be a lot less slop in it. It was really sloppy when I took it apart. All right, well, good luck. Talk to you again. Okay, well, it's all back together. As you can see, I got the whole thing installed. Cleaned it up a little bit. And it don't move. I'm moving the... That's kind of hard here. I'm moving the whole boom. And it ain't doing the wiggly anymore, so apparently it works. So, okay, that's the fix. If you have a problem, that's the way to fix it. Alright, see you guys later.